I had the Birdcatcher Pro, which is this wand toy I have in my hands, in my closet right over there, and my smart chiggy man went and found it, and then when I went in there to see what he was doing, he meowed at me like, "Can I play, Mom? I want to play." So I said, "Chiggy, you want to play?" And he goes, "Meow." So we're playing, and I thought that I would make a video of it. I'm a big fan of this wand toy, although I would recommend ordering many attachments just because the feathers can come out and stuff. I've had some attachments that are great and then other ones not so great. But I think that the pole is sold with a couple of attachments on Amazon, and I'll include a link in the About section. But then you can also order like a 5-pack. Sorry, Chiggy. Chiggy! Chiggy. Say I am not an acrobat, and a door is not a trampoline. What the heck? Making me run into doors. Chiggy. Chiggy, you're being a lazy kitty. Let's go in for the close-up. I just poked his boota, just like that, a little bit with the rod. That made him meow. I wondered what it would take you to show up. Yesterday, I made a video.
Whoa, that's mean. Whoa, that's serious business. That's like, stay away, buddy. This is my iPhone, and this is my Birdcatcher Pro.
Yesterday I made a video of the Peach Industries hammocks, and if you watched it and listened, then you know that, actually I think in the bloopers video that is going to be published in a few days, but it will be published by the time this video is published. I mentioned that my Bub can't go anywhere with that. My neighbor got a new fence, and so that's why this came out yesterday.
Bub, what happened there? It's like elastic.
And so they couldn't go outside because our fence was down, and so I brought this out to get their energy out, because we usually get our energy out by running around outside. Charlie does most of the running. Triggy sometimes does. But today the fence got done, and we went outside, and we used to have a chain link fence, and now it's a wooden fence, and so they both were you know, in that timid crouch position, approaching the new wooden fence, very confused, and I should have gotten video of it, but I was on the phone, so didn't have the opportunity to get that knocked out. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, bub. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. This is okay. So Trig is usually my like go-getter with toys and stuff, but I know when Charlie really likes it, if he's gonna be the go-getter, then you know he really likes it. And I said this in our review. Whoa, hissy hissy. Everybody's hissy. But you Bub, be nice. You definitely don't want to leave this down for them to play with, because Charlie will annihilate the feathers and stuff. But Bub, just don't pay attention to him. It doesn't matter. Bub, gee. they'll destroy the toy faster if you leave it down, and also you run the risk of them swallowing something that will cost you thousands of dollars in surgery, or maybe even their life. So that's why I wouldn't leave them unattended with it or leave it out. Look at Chiggy, he's like, this sucks. I'm the one that got interested in this. I have to mention, so you know, if you watch that video of Trig playing with my string of the hoodie, and the floor over here, there used to be a refrigerator there, and the refrigerator was, well, when I got the house, the refrigerator there was probably one of the original ones from the house. My house was built in 1940. And so anyway, somebody commented on my video, pretty cat but dirty floor. And it's just funny because the floor underneath these tiles looks exactly the same as that over there. But because the tiles are one color, then it doesn't look dirty. And that's not dirty over there, it's just 1940s stain that you can't get out. I just thought it was ironic that somebody was so quick to point that out in a video. Always amazing what YouTube brings. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And if they had seen, I mean, that's the other thing, is they had seen all my other videos, they know that I'm not dirty. I wouldn't let my cats live in filth, let alone me live in filth. So that was ironic. But maybe, Chiggy, we could try to use some Fission over there. You think Fission would clean that stain? Oh, Chiggy, you're next to the dirty floor. Ah, thank goodness. That dryer was making lots of background noise for us. But Bub, it's because you brought it. Oh, that hurt him because he licked himself afterwards. Oh, Wubby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you with that. I mean, I did, but I didn't mean for it to hurt. Wubbo? He will go for it. The washing machine's on and it just changed cycles and they're both like, what? Bob, I'm worried about you. Come here. What are you doing? What's this paw right here doing? Oh.